I'd like to share some methods by which we can determine the apps or technologies that are being used by a certain Shopify site. So, for example, if we are curious what apps are being used by this appointed Shopify site, we can just look up or grab the URL, and then we can use this Wappalyzer website. And all we need to do is paste the URL. So you just have to sign up for a free account. I don't have a paid account here. It will generate the detected technologies within that page. So we'll find that it detected that it is indeed the Shopify site. And then right here we'll have Shopify apps. So this does not pinpoint really which part of the Shopify page is being run by a certain app, but we'll have an idea of what each of these apps does. So for example, they're using HulkApps for the form builder because the typical forms that come with any Shopify theme is quite basic. So if you need additional fields other than the one that comes with the theme, then you might need to use HulkApps. And then there's also this in-cart upsell and cross-sell, which is most likely what is being used when we have something like this. So because this is an upsell, most likely they used an app to create this feature because this might not be integrated into their base theme. But I'll demonstrate in Module 3 that this cross-sell feature is actually built into Essentia theme. We don't have the slider option, but we do have a couple of options by which we can specify which items will best fit other items. So this will be built into Essentia, so you don't have to subscribe to an app. And then we'll also notice that they have a subscription option. And because the subscription option will require an app, it's most likely that they're using this recharge app. So it's a matter of familiarizing yourself on what each of these apps does, and then try to discern how they are used by a certain website. And then all of these are also helpful. Notice how it says for personalization, there's Customily, and it's most likely that they are using this Customily app. It's not necessarily within the Shopify apps group, but this is exactly the app that they are using to create this monogram feature. So if, for example, if I would like to add a monogram, so for example, RCA, it's automatically generated on the product for the customer to have a visualization of their order. So this is powered by Customily, and they're also using Smile for loyalty and rewards. So the Smile feature is what grants rewards to those for every purchase or for every activity. And then for marketing, they're using Klaviyo. So this will give you a good idea of all the technologies that's being used by every Shopify site. Now I understand that it might be quite overwhelming to go through each of these technologies and look into how it could be affecting our page. So another technique that I would recommend is to use the Inspector Tool. So for example, if you're particularly looking for the technology that runs the monogram feature, then what I would do is I'll select or inspect the element that is most likely run by the app. So for example, this monogram text, I'll right click on it and click on inspect. And we'll find within this container that some of these class values or some of these elements might make sense. So for example, it says ID is equal to Customily personalized accordion. And then it will say up here that it's also say Customily options wrapper. So we can discern from there that it could be that it says Customily main app. So we're just trying to make sense of these attributes. So from here, we can match this to the results of our Wappalyzer app, or we can just look up Customily, and it will indeed make sense that this is the app that is being used to create this monogram. Another example is if we'd like to know what app is being used to create the subscription option. Again, let me demonstrate it again. I can right click here, click on inspect, and try to look for some keywords. Right here it says custom recharge widget. And yeah, most of the apps will use the word app or the word widget. So from here it says recharge, which is a very popular Shopify app. So from there we can search for recharge app or match it to the results of our Wappalyzer. So that is my thought process when I'm trying to discern the apps that are being used by a certain page.